This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Hattie Brawley. Rare find in Fayette County. Cute little charming country home on 1.05 acres. 3 bedrooms. 1.5 baths. All new installed 11/2017. HVAC, floors, kitchen cooktop, built-in oven, dishwasher, countertops, backsplash, fresh paint. Hot water heater less than 6 months old. Metal roof and windows less than 10 years. Must see to appreciate the charm. Island and kitchen table with 6 chairs remain with the house as is, whereas no warranty. For more information, review the details below or contact Hattie Brawley at 901-861-4808.